Hello kids! This session is going to be the fun session. In this session, we will see pixel art in Scratch. Pixel. Have you heard this before? Just remind yourself where you have heard this before. Yes, in your last lecture on the introduction to GIMP, yes? There we have seen that any image displayed on computer screen or any digital device is as bitmap, right? What is bitmap? Bitmap is a rectangular arrangement of small squares, and that small squares are known as pixels, right? So every image is consist of pixels. Now, what does this resolution means? Resolution means how many pixels are there per inch of the image. Okay, so resolution is number of pixels per inch. Higher the resolution, more the number of pixels. What does this mean? जितनी अच्छी क्वालिटी इमेज की होगी या वीडियो की होगी उतने ही ज्यादा क्या होंगे पिक्सल्स होंगे उसमें राइट एंड बेटर द क्वालिटी ऑफ द इमेज सो वी कैन से हायर द रेजोल्यूशन more the number of pixels and better will be the quality of the image. Now let us see how we can do the pixel art in the Scratch. For that, first of all, we have to open the Scratch, going to scratch.mit.edu, naming our project as pixel art. Now, the very first thing that you can do to make your art the pixely one, for that you have to choose a sprite from the sprite list, right? What we can choose, let us choose chick. Okay, now we have choose the cute sprite over. Then we go to the looks. After go to looks, we are selecting set effect 2, right? Now here is the option of pixelate. Now we are clicking it, set pixelate effect to 0. This pixelate, when we click on it, nothing is happening, right? Now if we write over here 50, now when we click on this, the duck got blocky, right? What does this pixelate do? If we pixelate any sprite, it gets blocky one, right? It is getting blocky one. If we write 30 over here, we can see it is more refined now. Now if we write 80 over here, now we can see it is the more blocky version of the sprite. So on the same ground, we can also choose a backdrop from here and make it blocky too. Let us select this backdrop. After selecting the backdrop, clicking on here, then again going to looks. In looks, we have to go to set color effect 2, and now from drop down list we will choose pixelate, changing the effect to 50. Now clicking on it, it gets blocky. Now we are writing 20 on it. Now it is the more refined version of the earlier one. So here we can see that every image consists of pixels. Now there is another way to do this, to make our sprite blockier one, is that first of all choose a sprite for this. Let us choose what we can choose. Beetle over here. Okay. Now in Beetle, select the costumes. Here you can see it is written convert to bitmap. What is bitmap? Bitmap is an arrangement, rectangular arrangement of small squares, right? So we will choose that, convert it to bitmap. Now we will select the sprite. Okay, where is this select tool? What is this? This is brush, this is circle, this is text, this is eraser. What is this? This is line. Okay, this is rectangle and this is fill. Where is the select one? Oh, this is the select one. Now we will select our sprite. Okay. Now what we will do to this? We will make it small, extra small. Okay. After doing this, just click on the empty space, just like this. Okay. Now when we will zoom this sprite after selecting it, so selecting it again and now zooming it. Now you can see what happens to him. It becomes the blockier one. We have got the pixelate version of this sprite. Okay, it's looking cool in this desert. Okay, now there is a third way to make the pixelate art, the pixelate sprite. What is that? First of all, remove this, deleting the sprite. Okay, now just zoom this bitmap. Zoom it to the sky. Okay, zoom. Perfect. Now what we have to do, we will select the line. Now you are seeing the circle one over here, but we want the pixel version, so we will select over 1 over here. Now you can see it is just 1 over here. Now we will make our sprite. These are the 3 ways that how you can make your sprite, your background, the pixelate one, right? I hope you enjoyed this session. You will also make your pixel art and share with me. A studio is already created in our Scratch class. So just go there, make your work, upload it there, and we will see to it. And do write in the comment box that which game that you have played have used the pixel art in their characters. Till then, enjoy and study hard for the upcoming exams. Thank you.